how we can diagnose the heart problem which has to come in later stage. So we can try this by these points. Please watch this little finger, very important finger, this inside of the nail. Please see this point. This is the nail inside. You have to squeeze this and press it. If pain is there, it shows that some problem of the heart may start, and you have to squeeze this and pump it for 1 to 2 minutes. The same thing in the other hand, the inside of the nail, you squeeze and pump. The third point is in the leg. See this 2 fingers, then down to round about 1.5 inch. See the pain here, where the maximum pain, you squeeze and pump. Now these 3 points are very important points. If you have pain in these points, it shows that any type of heart problem may occur in later stage. Or if anybody is having heart problem or having some treatment through allopath or any therapy, so he has to continue pump these 3 points to avoid further problems, and it may improve later stage. So please watch these points carefully, and these are very important points which can avoid the heart problem. So now today the topic is on the heart. So please watch these points and try it. If you want to try just now, you just have a deep breath and then pump these points and feel the before and after, how your breathing is there. Now in allopath there is no diagnosis of heart and the gastric pain. In heart there is gastric pain also. So if you pump these 3 points and no effect on the heart, it means there is something wrong. You will watch your hand and the back side of the center of this hand. You pump this. If the pain is of the gas, then it will go through this, and it is 100% sure that this pain is of the gastric pain, not a heart pain. So please watch these 3 points which are very important. If somebody is having the heart attack and you are there, you just try this therapy and you can save one's life.